The environmental aspect has always been the focus of FM Environmental. Contributing to the society, the local economy and the environment in which it operates is fundamental to FM Environmental's corporate and social responsibility. The Grease Guardian brand consists of a range of products suitable for different applications, and their main objective is to block food waste, trap and further recover automatically fats, oils and grease from kitchen wastewater. Pollution from kitchen wastewater is a major issue not only on land but also even more at sea, where galley wastewater represents a major problem. Why treat grease? The kitchen wastewater that contains grease should flow through a grease trap prior to being treated on board with grey water or stored into a retaining tank. In order to keep the best working conditions of the onboard wastewater treatment plant that receives kitchen wastewater, it is good practice to reduce the loading of the kitchen wastewater by reducing or removing solids and fats, oils and grease before this water enters the plant. A suitable grease removal system will be required to pre-treat the kitchen wastewater accordingly. Grease Guardian has different quality solutions with the capacity to store polluted water or to remove fats, oils, grease and solids prior to treatment. Space on board comes at a premium cost, and for this reason the Grease Guardian Marine unit is the solution to treat kitchen wastewater. This will avoid big volume storage of dirty water. Grease Guardian has been successful in different applications, with more than 20,000 units installed globally. In recent years, our experience led us to expand in the marine sector. Different solutions are developed for under-sink or centralized applications in superyachts and centralized applications on commercial vessels or the Navy. The centralized units can have different configurations to allow flexibility in the installation process. The Grease Guardian Marine Solution. Complete range from 1 to 20 litres per second flow. Different layouts to accommodate all installations, with the possibility to be fully dismountable in order to access small openings and retrofitting jobs on board. High technical solutions for specific Navy requirements, suitable for sustaining movement and physical stress. Can be equipped with shock mounts and flexible joints, optional, for marine installations. To complement this range, specific features are designed to make the units airtight and odour-free, together with flanged connections and marine lids. Operation concept. From the galley, the wastewater enters the inlet of the unit into a solid collection compartment. Solids entering the unit will be trapped in the hopper and filtered through a mesh. The filtered solids will be periodically transferred by the pump to a separate storage tank for the solid sludge waste. When the pump is activated, the grid will be washed automatically. Water with fine solids and oil will enter the grease collection chamber, where a 3 mm fine mesh is used for extra solid filtration, prior its access in the grease retention chamber, where the skimming and recovery system is allocated. In the case of under-sink units, the solids are trapped in a removable filter basket situated above the waterline for drier waste management. The fats, oils and grease separate naturally from the water and are trapped in the retention chamber thanks to the built-in baffles. The cleaned water flows away through outlet and down the drain line. Fats, oils and grease will automatically be recovered by the skimming mechanism after the heating phase, where the water content inside the unit is warmed to 45 degrees Celsius to optimize skimming recovery process. Only the cleaned water is allowed to pass through the system into the drain lines, while the recovered oils and fats are transferred to the external storage container. The recovering activity will be controlled by a preset time from the PLC situated in the main control panel. A blower kit is installed on higher flow models to assist the oil recovering process by moving the oil towards the skimming rollers. This operation will be at time intervals during the recovery process. During the skimming process, a motorized valve, allocated at the end of the oil trap, will open to allow the oil to move into a waste container and will close at the end of the skimming cycle. This way ensures that no excess water escapes during rough seas. For this reason, the unit can be connected to a management system and can be switched off during very rough sea or during other specific operational modes. Telemetry control can be offered as an option. The recovered oil settles in removable containers or storage tanks depending on the layout and the facilities on board. Once the recovery process is finished, the washing operation starts. Controlled by the PLC, a solenoid valve will automatically allow the washing of the skimming blades and rollers, keeping the machine at its optimum working condition. The control panel has easy access to the controls and the PLC. Alarm lights and warning lights are used to ensure that all operations happen smoothly. This guarantees flexibility to customize cycles or modify operation parameters according to the individual customer's needs. For periodic maintenance, the units are equipped with a manual desludging valve to empty all the accumulated sludge into the onboard solid storage container. By design, the Grease Guardian Marine range provides complete peace of mind for your grease interceptor management program.